this BackupAssist ER tutorial, creating local and cloud backups. Craig with the Client Success Team here, and I'll be your guide. Let's get started. Disk to cloud creates a local backup and then replicates that backup to a Microsoft Azure blob storage, Amazon S3 or S3 compatible cloud storage destination such as Wasabi or Backblaze. This best practice strategy provides cyber resilience and is our recommended backup type for all servers. The local backup provides a fast and accessible backup that can be used for any recovery scenario. The cloud backup is safely stored offline and protected from cyber threats such as hacking and ransomware. This backup can be used for file and folder recoveries and downloaded if you need to perform a bare metal recovery. To create a disk to cloud backup job, select the Jobs tab, select New from the Jobs tab menu, and select Create Backup from the Disk to Cloud section. This will open the Disk to Cloud page and display the 4 tabs used to configure the job. Fill in the general sections as follows. Job name, enter a name for the backup job, and then you can also add a description to help identify or classify the job. All cloud backups are encrypted before the data is sent to your cloud provider. Enter a password into the encryption password fields. This password will be used to encrypt this job's backups. Tick the box next to encrypt your local backups with the encryption password if you also want to encrypt the local backup. The local backup will use the same password as the cloud backup. Now select and review the Files and Applications tab. The volume with the server's operating system is selected by default. Use the tick boxes to change the selected volumes as required. To ensure that the backup can be used for a bare metal recovery, tick Select Items for a bare metal recovery. This will select all volumes needed for a full server recovery. For example, if a server has a system boot volume and an operating system volume. If there are SQL, Exchange, or Hyper-V servers on the selected volumes, all volumes required to create application-consistent backups of those VSS applications will also be selected. These selections should not be changed. The Storage Locations section is used to provide details for both the local destination, Storage Location 1, and the cloud destination, Storage Location 2. For Storage Location 1, choose the local storage location from the Storage Location Type field. The selected volumes will be backed up to here and replicated to the cloud location provided in Storage Location 2. If you choose Local Disk, use the Backup Disk field to select the drive letter assigned to the disk you are backing up to. Then select Check Disk to confirm that the selected destination is attached and accessible. If you choose Network Location, use the Network Path field to enter the server or device name. If the destination requires authentication, select the Network Credential option, specify credentials, and enter the credentials into the field provided. This is the username and password that BackupAssist ER will use to access the network location or NAS device. Now select Check Network Location to confirm that the selected destination is attached. Storage Location 2 is your cloud destination. It's used to provide the details and connect to your cloud storage. The cloud destinations supported are Microsoft Azure Blob Storage, Amazon S3, and S3 compatible cloud storage such as Wasabi and Backblaze. Use the Select Location Type field to choose your cloud storage provider. Please see our companion video for ER, Setting Up Cloud Storage Accounts. This includes instructions for setting up accounts with Azure, Amazon, and S3 compatible storage destinations. Now select and review the Schedule tab. Review the schedule selections as follows. Use the backup schedule fields to set the job start time and the days the backup will run. Use the retention scheme section to change the number of backups that should be kept. Now complete the backup job. Select one of the following options. You can save and run the job immediately, and the job's progress screen will open. Or save and the job will run at the scheduled time. If you choose to discard, it will cancel the job and all information entered will be lost. Congratulations, your backup job to local and cloud has been created and will run as scheduled. Remember to set up backup notifications for the job's backup reports and perform a test recovery using one of the job's backups to ensure your selections provide the protection you require.